With Pythagoras 2025, you can now create dynamic profiles. Profiles that automatically update when you modify the reference line in your drawing and allow you to easily adjust or expand the information shown in an existing profile. Select the polyline or path you want to use. Open the DTM menu and choose Length Profile. In the cross-section window, go to the Layout tab. To create a dynamic profile, select New Sheet, then choose the sheet where the profile should be generated, and if you're working with prototypes, check the Prototype drawing box. Click OK, and the profile is generated in the page coordinate system according to your settings. Open Page Setup to align your profile with the page. Press Center to position it automatically or adjust manually if needed. So now, let's experience the new feature in action. Return to the local coordinate system. Move or adjust the polyline or path you used to create the profile, and watch as the generated profile updates automatically with every change. You can also add more information to an existing profile. Right-click the section and choose Profile Properties from the submenu. In the cross-section window, open the Records tab and add a record. Select which properties should appear in the section, then click OK to include them in the profile. With dynamic profiles, Pythagoras 2025 makes profile creation and editing faster, more flexible, and fully dynamic.